Hey everyone, Jonathon Villaescusa here with Concierge Escrow, and I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough on our estimated seller net sheets. So quickly, you can go to our website, conciergeescrowservice.com, and hover over the automated net sheet tab, and then it'll give you two different drop downs. And for this example, we're going to be doing the seller estimate net sheet. So on this form, I've already pre-populated it, but you'll need to enter your information for your brokerage. So first name, last name, who you're representing, the email address, your phone number, your brokerage you work for. You can add multiple seller names. For this, I'm just putting test 1, but if you had 3 sellers, you could do that. If it's a trust, you can add that however you want it to display when you get the form. You can add multiple sales prices. So if you're taking the listing, you can add different sales price scenarios, or perhaps maybe you're doing a price reduction, so you need to add a new price in here to show them what they could walk away with to help you get that price reduction. You'll enter in the property address here. Now on the back end with this, it's automatically going to search for property taxes against the property. So any taxes that are on the property, it's going to pull that record through and automatically start to populate that. Number of units, you can select that. Seller credit to buyer, I put yes, 10,000. You can put multiple payoffs here, so first mortgage, second mortgage, if there's a hero or solar, anything like that. So property taxes, this is where it talks about what different options you have. So you can charge your client for the property tax installment that's currently due and prorate. If you know they've already paid it, you can click the secondary option, which means not to collect the installment but still prorate. And the third option is your seller's delinquent, so it'll charge your client for the installment that's due. It's going to prorate, and then it'll allow you to add any delinquent taxes that you may know about. Then you also have the option to add creditor payments. This is a new feature that we added. So what this will do is, let's say your client from the proceeds of this sale wants to pay off a HELOC on their primary residence. You can enter that amount here. Or if there was any other type of payment that they were looking to do, maybe they added repairs to it, whatever the case may be, additional commission, you can add all that here and it'll take it into account. And you can add as many as you want. That's why that add creditor button is there. You have the option for 1031 exchange, so by default we're charging $750 for a 1031 exchange. The termite report, you can opt to include it, and you can set the amount. Home warranty, set the amount, the commissions, your closing date, and it'll prorate based off of this closing date. Add any transaction coordinating, and then once you're done, you go ahead and click on submit. It's saying I missed one box here, so go ahead and click on submit now. And it'll let you know, just like it did, if you are missing any information. It'll make you go back and complete it. So you'll get a message on top once it's completed. Thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been submitted, and you will receive your estimate via email shortly. So you should receive this within a minute, I would say. It's doing a lot of calculation on the back end. There's a lot of things that go into this, and you'll see even more once you get the form in your email, how much extra calculation it's doing and what it's looking for. We just got to give it a second for it to populate here. So once you complete the form, you'll check your email. You'll get it coming from our website, and it's going to have this, whatever address you put in, just like this. Click on the email. In the email, it'll have everything listed, and you'll be able to see the form. So with this link, it'll save everything from the original submission. If you need to create any changes, you can follow the link, and it will take you to the form where you can update those changes. I'll show you that in just a second. But first, I wanted to show you the PDFs. So it'll go through just like as if you were to get it from escrow. Prorations of property taxes, commissions, title charges, escrow charges, loan payoffs, any additional disbursements. One nice thing is if the property is in a city that has a pre-sale inspection, it'll automatically pull that fee in, and then it also adds all the additional fees that you put in here as well. On this example, I did have 2 different sales prices, one for $1 million, the other for 1.2, so it'll give you both estimates at the same time. If you want to make any changes, click on the link. And here you can see your form again, and you can go ahead and adjust any changes that you would like. So if you have any other questions, you can email myself or contact us through our website for additional support. Thank you.